If you peel it off and you just put ordinary shingles on, the magic's all gone. We could see that this day well exceeded whatever we were hoping for. You could really work with them or explain your concerns, or they could tell you exactly how they were doing it. It was something you could interact with. Very, very friendly, very pleasant. They kind of would work with you to fine-tune this thing so it would work out the way you would like it to work out. And it worked out far beyond whatever it was that we were thinking.
Yeah.
The house we did in Highland Park, we did a lot of work, cutting, making waves, steaming. So, big difference at regular roast.
And Jan would often come in there and have discussions with Felipe about how the waves needed to crash, they weren't crashing. And they would like rip off a couple rows of shingles and back it down, and then, you know, and this happened a number of times. I was pretty astonished at the whole thing.
It's hard at the start, but as we go, we find a way to do it and do it right. Do what the people want.
And all the neighbors and drive by, and they all, surprised that we have such a good company and in local.
They built, like, took 24-foot scaffolding and they built like a bridge, like over like entire gardens, so they could walk out without trampling like gardens on this side of the house.
Yeah, and they're doing the cleaning daily and
you could actually cook out on your patio. You could interact with them and say, you know, how do you know that this water isn't going to do this here? How do you know it's going to do that? Or, you know, and they had very solid answers. And they had a competitive price too. We would definitely point people at CRC.
Thank you to the whole crew, and they did a wonderful job.